Sorry. You say it, but the other person still looks upset. Or worse, they think you're being sarcastic. If that's happened to you, you're not rude. You're just using the wrong words. Today, you'll learn real apology phrases that native speakers use to sound kind, sincere, and calm, not awkward or robotic. And you'll practice them right now so they stick. Start with these 3 essential phrases. 1. I'm so sorry for the trouble. Use when you cause a small problem, bumping into someone, taking the wrong seat, or spilling coffee. It shows you care about their experience, not just your mistake. 2. Sorry to bother you, but perfect before asking a question or interrupting. It softens your request and shows respect. 3. I didn't mean to, like, I didn't mean to take your pen. It separates your intention from the outcome, and that builds trust. Now say this out loud with me. I'm so sorry for the trouble. Again, sorry to bother you. Don't skip this. Your mouth needs to feel these words, not just hear them. Even if your voice shakes, even if you're alone, speak. Because fluency isn't about perfect grammar. It's about making people feel respected with just a few gentle words. And that starts today. Now that you've got the basics, let's add 3 more powerful phrases for deeper situations. 4. I apologize for the confusion. Use in emails, meetings, or when plans go wrong. It's calm, professional, and takes responsibility without drama. 5. That was my mistake. I'll fix it. Shows accountability plus action. People forgive mistakes, but they trust those who make it right. 6. I'm sorry this happened. Use even when it's not your fault, like a delayed flight or broken Wi-Fi. It's not about blame. It's about shared frustration. Why do these work? Because they focus on the other person's feeling, not your guilt. Also, never say, sorry, but it's not my fault. The word but cancels your apology. Instead, say, I'm sorry this happened. Let me help. And if you're writing, end with, thanks so much for your patience. It turns a mistake into a moment of grace. These aren't just words. They're tools for human connection, and they work everywhere.
Let's go deeper. Here are 3 advanced, but still simple phrases for real life. 7. I owe you an apology. Use when you realize your mistake later. It shows humility and care, even after the moment has passed. 8. Please forgive me for bigger mistakes. Please forgive me from missing your call. It's warm, personal, and rare, so it carries weight. 9. I feel terrible about what happened. Shows empathy, not just regret. It says, I see how this affected you. But avoid these 3 quiet mistakes. Mistake number 1, over-apologizing. Sorry for existing. Fix. Use excuse me for small things. Mistake number 2, murmuring sorry while looking down. Fix. Pause. Breathe. Speak like you mean it, even in the mirror. Mistake number 3, starting every sentence with, sorry. Fix. Try, could I ask? Polite, but confident. Remember, apologizing isn't a weakness. It's emotional courage. And with these phrases, you're not just saying sorry, you're repairing trust. One last phrase, the most powerful of all. Thank you for telling me. I'll do better. When someone points out your mistake, this is gold. It turns criticism into connection. It says, I value you more than my ego. Now you have 10 real, kind, human ways to apologize in English. Not robotic, not textbook, but alive, like real people speak. So today, right after this video, do this. Pick a phrase. Say it in the mirror. Text it to a friend. Whisper it while making tea. You don't need fluency to be kind. You just need one sentence, spoken with heart. And every time you do, you're not just learning English. You're learning how to heal small moments, how to turn mistakes into connection, and how to show up as your gentlest self in any language. Thank you for being here, friend, for caring enough to get this right, for showing up even when your voice shakes. Keep practicing. Keep being kind. And remember, your words have power, especially when they say sorry with sincerity. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you've got this. Blue Heart.